everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you this Sun Joe electric pressure washer. I got it a few months ago, but it's the first time I'm going to use it, so I thought I'd make a quick video about it. It's a Sun Joe. The cool thing about it, it's on wheels, so it's very easily moved. That's one of the reasons I got more of the mid-range price one. It's not the cheapest one, it's definitely not the most expensive. But it has some cool features. See the gun here. It has nozzles that just click on and off. It has 5 with different purposes. Has a pretty nice power cord. It has detergent bottles if you need soap for more like heavy duty cleaning. It doesn't come fully assembled. It takes about 10 minutes to assemble, but it's not difficult. So yeah, let's give it a try. I wanted to show you guys this because it's something to consider. If you're, using an outdoor outlet to plug this in, you can see it's quite large. Doesn't fit in here. So I had to get an extension cord. Plug the extension cord in, and then plug this into the extension cord. So kind of a weird design, but I guess this is just for like, shorting purposes. It's a GFCI, so probably needs to be that large, but definitely you'll have some trouble if you have an outdoor outlet like that. Okay, let's test this out. I have the green nozzle, which is the 25-degree nozzle. That's just general purpose. So we're going to try that one first. Okay, you can see definitely works. It's getting this really dark spot clean pretty easily, but I'll definitely need to go over it a few times. So let's change the nozzle and see. Turn this off. Okay, this is the 40-degree nozzle. So this one's actually the lightest pressure other than the soap nozzle. So this one I think is mostly for cleaning like your car and stuff like that, but let's try it out. Okay, so it seems that only one little pinpoint of this nozzle is actually working. It didn't really do anything for the really dark spot right here. Okay, so now let's try the more higher pressure nozzle. This one's 15-degree. Turn it on. Okay, I can just feel the difference with that one. It's coming almost completely clean right away. Barely have to go back over it. There is one more nozzle. It's the 0-degree. It's the highest pressure. That one has all sorts of warnings on the user guide that it can cause permanent damage because it's so high powered. So I'm going to try it on a dark spot here, see how it looks. Oh yeah, that thing is crazy. It's completely clean here. It is a pinpoint though, so it doesn't get a lot of area when you use it. But definitely powerful. You can see the difference in the nozzles going across this way. Let me get you closer. So this was the 40-degree gray nozzle. This part right here was the green 25. This was the general purpose. This is what they say to use for everything: sidewalks, decks, siding. This right here, 15-degree, and then this right here is the red, the 0. I think I'll definitely use the 15 for this sidewalk. I think it'll just be way more effective than the 25 general purpose. I can tell you already that I really like about this is it's not very loud. I swear I have nightmares about the day of the year that my parents would rent a gas-powered washer and pressure wash the driveway. It was just the loudest thing ever. Definitely could not sleep in that day. This one is not that bad. I could probably still have a conversation with someone next to me. It's not making me go deaf. So I think that's one of the huge benefits of an electric washer. And the motor only runs when you pull down the trigger. When you let go, it shuts off right away. So that is obviously nice with the sound also. But not bad. So you can see here the difference. Massive. Took just a couple minutes. I'm going to do the rest of this sidewalk, but first impressions are it works great, not too loud. I love all the different nozzles for the different purposes. So I'll do the rest of the sidewalk, show you the before and after. Okay, I'm going to use the 25 nozzle, the general purpose one for this siding here, to get the mold off. Okay, you can see it's working. This is hardy board here, so I think I can use a more heavy-duty nozzle. I just think it'll work better. I'm going to use the same one I used on the sidewalk. Just want to show you, this is the 15-degree yellow nozzle. And I mean, that looks brand new down there. I think this 15 is the money. This is the one you have to use for most everything. Works great. With this is really easy. Just coiled up the hose, coiled up the power cord. This has like a little spot to go into, disconnected the water, and you know, this is ready to go get stowed away for, I don't know, maybe another couple years. I don't know when this will get all gross and moldy again, but yeah, it works great. I would recommend this Sun Joe. I'll link it below to Amazon where I got it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.